Using easy-to-install e-bike conversion kits is essential for transforming your standard bicycle into a high-performance electric bike without hassle. These kits offer seamless integration, user-friendly features, and straightforward instructions, making the upgrade accessible for riders of all skill levels. And if you are looking forward to getting one for yourself, then here are our top 7 recommendations. RubbyX. The RubbyX electric bike conversion kit is a standout choice in our list of the 7 best e-bike conversion kits that are easy to use. Its modular battery system allows you to customize your performance and range, ensuring you get exactly what you need. The completely wireless setup, featuring a cadence sensor, makes installation effortless, engaging pedal assist the moment you start pedaling. Known as the easiest to install, RubbyX can be attached or removed in seconds, enhancing its portability. The interactive rear light not only shows battery levels but also increases visibility on the road. With regenerative braking, multiple assist levels, and a user-friendly smartphone app, RubbyX offers a comprehensive, smart, and efficient solution for all your e-bike conversion needs. Citronex. Take a look at the Citronex electric bike conversion kit. It boasts a meticulously designed setup, with compact parts and intuitive controls. Installation is made easy, requiring just Allen keys, which speaks to its user-friendly design, making it ideal even for beginners. The kit also comes with a smart app that provides basic diagnostics, keeping you updated on your kit's performance and enhancing your overall ride. This attention to detail ensures that the conversion process is simple and fits seamlessly with your bike. Viribus. Next, we have the Viribus e-bike conversion kit. This versatile kit enables the seamless transformation of your 26-inch front-wheel bike into a robust electric bike, ideal for enhancing daily commutes or tackling challenging landscapes. You can customize your ride with 48V batteries that best fit your frame, ensuring optimal performance. The kit includes a powerful 1000W brushless motor that adheres to speed regulations while providing smooth acceleration up to 37 miles per hour. Designed for comfort and durability, the hub motor operates quietly and efficiently, with intuitive controls that allow seamless transitions between throttle control, cruise mode, and pedal assist. The Viribus e-bike conversion kit ensures a reliable and enjoyable electric biking experience. E-Bikeling. Then we have the E-Bikeling. Engineered with premium materials, E-Bikeling kits empower your ride, whether navigating city streets or adventuring in rugged terrain. These kits ensure reliability and performance, allowing you to explore diverse landscapes and enjoy enhanced cycling experiences confidently. With user-friendly designs and comprehensive installation tutorials, E-Bikeling simplifies the conversion process, making it accessible for all levels of enthusiasts. From attaching the motor to wiring the battery, their step-by-step guides facilitate a smooth transformation of your bike into a powerful electric vehicle. Embrace the freedom to customize your journey with E-Bikeling, backed by their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, ensuring each ride is as thrilling as the last. Scarpa. Scarpa e-bike conversion kits stand out for their innovative design and high performance. Developed in collaboration with the Red Bull Formula One team's Advanced Technologies division, Scarpa's flexible disc drive system allows users to replace their rear disc rotor, transforming any disc brake bike into a powerful e-bike without needing wheel or frame modifications. This system offers cyclists the freedom to customize their e-bikes, from frame style to component selection. Scarpa's Dynamic Climb, an advanced algorithm with wireless sensors, continuously adjusts to rider output and road conditions, ensuring a smooth and energy-efficient ride. Whether accelerating at a red light or climbing steep hills, Dynamic Climb provides the necessary power for a seamless riding experience. Bafang EMTB. Excel in performance and simplicity. Bafang EMTB comes equipped with a powerful motor providing up to 120 nm of maximum assistance. These kits make even the steepest hills manageable. The Whisper Quiet Drive system ensures a peaceful ride, letting you enjoy the tranquility of the trails. A robust battery pack with a capacity of up to 600 Wh means you have plenty of power for extended rides, including tackling your favorite trails multiple times. Designed with user convenience in mind, the kits offer all key information at a glance and are easy to control. Whether you're climbing or descending, the powerful and silent motor of the Bafang EMTB enhances your riding experience, making it a top choice for converting your bike into a high-performance EMTB. Dillinger. Lastly, Dillinger electric bikes conversion kits offer an ideal blend of power and practicality for on-road commuting, recreation, and leisure. Featuring a 250W motor, these kits can reach speeds of up to 32 km/h with a maximum range of 100 km. The thumb throttle and multiple pedal assist levels ensure a versatile riding experience, while the C965 LCD provides all essential information at a glance. The robust LIM 204 lithium-ion battery, featuring Samsung cells, offers 470 Wh of energy and can be fully charged in 6.5 hours. Designed with user-friendly features like a waterproof wiring system, double-wall eyelet rims, and a lightweight build, Dillinger conversion kits transform any bike into a high-performance e-bike, making daily commutes and leisurely rides more enjoyable and efficient. That was our top 7 recommendations for the best e-bike conversion kits that are easy to use. Hope you found the right one for yourself, and thanks for watching.